Are you ready to dive headfirst into the deep end of financial risk-taking, but without a life jacket? Do you dream of losing your hard-earned money in record time, but doing it like a pro? Well then, you've come to the right place. Hey, welcome back everybody to the Trade More YouTube channel. I'm Jeff, published author, professional trader for 17 years, and in this video lesson, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about losing money in the stock market. From making impulsive trades based on your horoscope to trusting your gut instinct over sound financial advice. Don't worry about it, I got you covered. So buckle up, grab some popcorn, and get ready to watch your bank account dwindle right before your very eyes. Here are 7 quick tips on how to lose money like a professional. Tip number 1, chase hot tips and rumors, right? This strategy can lead to disaster. It includes things such as investing in companies that are about to go bankrupt, which we've all done. Well, at least I know I've done that. Buying stocks at the very top of its move, which completely sucks, and we know how that turns out. Or worse, listening to Cramer. And Cramer, that dude, we know he doesn't know anything, right? Remember this tip, everybody. It's important to never do your own research and blindly follow other people's advice. Tip number 2, invest in companies that make products that you do not understand. Listen, the more obscure the company, the better. And the reason it's better is you have no idea what they do anyway, right? Like nose hair trimmers for dogs. What the heck is that? Or toothpaste flavored potato chips? That sounds disgusting. Remember this. This strategy can lead to investing in companies that have no chance of success. Remember that movie, Bridesmaids, Cake Baby, right? Annie's Bakery? Just like that. No chance of success. If you do that, your money is sure to go down the drain faster than a frog sink. Number 3, follow the advice of your crazy uncle, right? That uncle that's convinced that he's a financial guru. He read a few articles online, so now he's this professional, right? I'm talking about that uncle. I mean, after all, he's right about everything else, so he's gotta be right about this.
Trip, you little sourpuss, your dad's paying good money for it.
Or even better, take advice from random strangers on the internet. Random strangers. Or, you know, they might, so what if they're anonymous bots or they're anonymous trolls? They probably know more about investing than both you and me. Just follow their hot stock tip and watch your money disappear faster than a magician's rabbit. I mean, who needs financial advice anyway when you got Reddit? Hey guys, I think this is a great time to jump in here. If you're enjoying this video so far, do me a favor, smash that like button, all right? So YouTube can spread this video out to more people. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Tip number 4, put all your eggs in one basket and invest in a single stock. Okay, that single stock, that new startup that's guaranteed to take off any day now, right? You know exactly the one I'm talking about. If you do that, you'll be a millionaire in no time or living in cardboard box. One of the two. Either way, though, it's going to be a thrilling ride. Or even better, don't bother with due diligence or research. Just wing it. Buy stocks based on their company's name or logo, or invest in that random penny stock, right? That penny stock that you saw advertised on the side of the bus or even in the bathroom. Yeah, you know exactly what I'm referring to. You might strike it rich or you might lose it all, but either way, you're gonna have a great story to tell. Number 5, base your trades on random superstitions and random coincidences, right? Okay, this can include things such as the alignment of the stars, the number of letters in a company's name, okay? Did the black cat cross the driveway on January 13th, 2024 at 5:30 p.m.? Those coincidences, right? Hey, listen, it worked for that guy that won the lottery twice. And if it worked for him, it's gotta work for me and you. Tip number 6, ignore your gut instinct and listen to every expert on TV. All those experts who are shouting the latest hot stock tips. CNBC, CBS, ABC, Fox News, all of them. Like we said earlier, Cramer, I mean, after all, right? They got fancy graphics. They got awesome sound effects. What more do we want? They've got to know what they're talking about. Number 7, be a follower, not a leader. Just follow the crowd and jump on the latest investment bandwagon, right? Whether it's that next NFT, the next meme stock, the hottest cryptocurrency. It doesn't matter. Just go with the flow and don't worry about doing any research at all. I mean, after all, everybody else is doing it, so it's gotta be a great idea. In conclusion, losing your money like a pro is not for the faint of heart. It takes guts, it takes determination, and a complete regard for any common sense whatsoever. Just be willing to take the risk, embrace the chaos, and if you do that, you just might come out on top. Or more likely, you're going to end up broke, you're going to end up confused, you're going to end up wondering where your money went. But hey, at least you're going to have a funny story to tell at the parties, right? So go ahead. Dive into the world of financial ruin, and remember, you only live once. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, if you found value in any way or entertainment, do me a favor. Smash that like button, all right? So YouTube can spread this video out to more people. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. Thank you very much. And don't forget to check down below in the description for more quick tips and videos. Hey, and if you're looking to take your option trading to the next level, or you're just getting started in options, make sure to click right here. Right here is our Master Options playlist. It's going to teach you everything you need to know from step A to step Z. All right? Right here. Thank you very much.